Ooh, looking good, looking good. I cannot wait for you to drive this thing. These V's are so fast.
Yeah, I can't wait to drive it either, man. This thing should be cool. Hey, do you have any music I could borrow so I could test the system? Just make sure, you know, it's good.
Hang on, I'll be right back. So here you go, man. Pop that in, it's my favorite Johnny Cash.
What the hell? Where is this even? Oh, maybe up here? This isn't working. Yeah, I don't know if this is the right thing for this truck. I couldn't make this work.
Oh my gosh. Let me go get you something that'll work. I'll be right back. All right, sorry again about that. Here you go. We'll move you right up to a few decades. Pop that baby in and let me know what you think.
All right, I guess. We got a better... Oh no, the tape's there. It's got to go. Yeah, man, I don't think this is right either. I don't know where you got this, but this ain't right.
Oh my gosh. Let me get you something that'll work. I hope you're ready. Better protect your ears. I got you some straight bumps right here. Listen to this stuff. You're gonna love it. This truck's gonna rock.
Try this again. That can't be it. Oh. This dude does not know what he's doing. Hey, look, man, I appreciate you trying, but none of this stuff's working.
Oh, what? This didn't work either?
Can I just listen to Bluetooth?
What? I'm not even sure what that is. Hey, Jeff, you know the band Bluetooth? What even is that? Is that German? What? I don't even know what that is.